Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I am going to teach about the WOP concept of C#.NET. In our last video we show how to add two numbers using WOP concept. After that we have uploaded the video student marks calculation of WOP concept. Today I am going to teach how to do the employee salary calculation system on WOP concept. Okay, here WOP employee salary calculation. Okay, the WOP hoop concept are very must when you are going go to the industrial level. Okay, so this first one should be this employee salary. This is salary percent key. Yeah, tax employee salary. This is net salary. Okay, now we have to calculate them. Okay, so now we have what I am going to do is here is first here we have named the text fields txt salary, txt tax, txt end cell. Now here we successfully change the name of each text fields. Now I am going to go to the class. So this is a class. I have already created the class cal.css. Here what I did here is you can create any name of the class. I explain it last video how to create the class. Okay, I have put the video description those videos how to add two numbers WOP and student cost calculation. Those who are not to watch them, you just go and click that particular link and watch them. It is very good tutorial for you all to learn WOP concept step by step. So we have to do here is okay. Now here first what I am going to do is here I am going to create two variables. Public variable, public double is a salary, double salary, comma tax, comma net sal, all are double. Then you are calculating the employee salary. We have created a function here double salary calculation cal, right? You have created the function, right? Now you have created the salary, right? When you create the employee salary, there should be the condition if the employee salary greater than 50,000 include 10% tax. If the employee salary greater than 35,000 include 5% tax. Below 35,000 no tax we included. So how to do the task is you have to start with if employee salary greater than 50,000 include 10% tax. So we have to write how to include the 10% tax is salary equal tax equal salary into 10%. You have to include 10%, right? Else if the salary 35,000, but 5% tax, control C to copy, control V to paste over here, 5% tax, else tax equals 0. No tax we have included, right? So we have written tax. That's it. That's the thing we have to do, right? After that we have net cell calculation. So public void net cell calculation. How to calculate net salary? We already created the variable net salary equal salary minus tax. That's it. After that we have return end cell. So we have to put it not void, it's a double. That's it. That's the thing you have to write. Okay, very simple. So here after that we have to get in here. We have to create the object of this class cal salary. You just give an object whatever name you can create. Okay, salary cal create the object successfully. salary dot what salary you are entered on the text field, salary. Okay, salary, what's the class, okay, salary. We create the object of salary dot, we have to get it the salary variable equal, get the object cell, otherwise two names are, we have confusion. We have to assign the particular text field salary dot text, that's it. We have to put in a double dot pass double dot pass, here it's like this, right. That's the thing we have to do. After that, tax we have to calculate and display here, tax dot text equal, you have to calculate the tax here. So how to display the tax here is dot tax dot toString. After that, same thing, control C to copy, control net cell calculation, and cell, there's a calculation, text field is name is, text box name is n cell, this is the dot net cell, this one should be the tax calculation dot salary cal, the variable. So what is the problem here over here? Now let's go here, we are calling the particular function over here. Why, what's the wrong, double cal, okay, the problem is this, sorry, okay, no, not a problem. The problem is here, we have a, this is the function, that call it over here is bracket, then only it will be accepted, that's it. Okay, we have to call the particular class object over here. This class has a method called this cal, you have to call it here, is calculate the particular salary and assign to this text box. It's particular, if you call this method, it's calculate the below respective net salary and return back to here this text field. Okay, that's the thing you have to do with the end cell. Now let's run and check. That's wrong. End cell. Something by mistake with me, so the end cell, right, that's it. $45,000, include 5% tax. If it is 65,000, include 10% tax. If it is 25,000, include no tax included, 25,000 will be displayed as a net salary. It's very simple program, I wrote it. If you have a doubt on this, you can ask me anytime. If you like my channel, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.